Can Panasonic TV connect to Wi-Fi? Yes, Panasonic smart TVs can connect to Wi-Fi, allowing you to access online features such as streaming apps, web browsing, and software updates. However, the connection process depends on your TV model and whether it supports built-in Wi-Fi or requires a wired connection. 1. Checking if your Panasonic TV supports Wi-Fi. To determine if your Panasonic TV has Wi-Fi capabilities, press the menu button on your remote. Go to Network, then Network Settings. Look for the wireless option. If available, your TV supports Wi-Fi connectivity. If the Wi-Fi option is missing, your TV may only support wired Ethernet connections or require a Wi-Fi adapter. 2. Connecting Panasonic TV to Wi-Fi. If your Panasonic smart TV supports Wi-Fi, follow these steps to connect. Step 1. Press the menu button on the remote. Step 2. Navigate to Network, then Network Settings, then Wireless Setup. Step 3. Select Search for networks and wait for available Wi-Fi networks to appear. Step 4. Choose your Wi-Fi network and enter the Wi-Fi password using the remote. Step 5. Confirm the connection and wait for the TV to connect to the Wi-Fi network. Step 6. Once connected, test the internet by opening an app like YouTube or Netflix. 3. Using a wired connection, if Wi-Fi is not available. If your Panasonic TV does not support Wi-Fi, you can use a wired Ethernet connection. Step 1. Plug an Ethernet cable from your router into the LAN port on the back of the TV. Step 2. Press the menu button and go to Network, then Network Settings. Step 3. Select wired connection and wait for the TV to connect automatically. Step 4. Once connected, test the connection using a streaming app. 4. Troubleshooting Wi-Fi connection issues. If your Panasonic TV does not connect to Wi-Fi, try these solutions. Restart your TV and router. Unplug both for 30 seconds and restart. Move the router closer to the TV. A weak signal can cause connection failures. Forget and reconnect to Wi-Fi. In Network Settings, remove your Wi-Fi and reconnect. Check for software updates. Go to Settings, then System Update to update your TV. Use a Wi-Fi extender. If the signal is weak, a Wi-Fi range extender can improve connectivity. Panasonic smart TVs can connect to Wi-Fi, but older models may require a wired Ethernet connection or a USB Wi-Fi adapter. If Wi-Fi issues occur, resetting your TV and router or using a wired connection can help resolve the problem.